we're back at the train station. Had a hectic morning. We woke up late, and then we literally just like made a quick breakfast, ready yogurt and granola, iced coffee again, didn't we? And then yeah, literally we've got changed and now we're heading to the train station. We get a train to Bondi Junction and then a bus or a taxi from the junction to the beach. Have a little swim, a little sunbathe, do some surfing at Bondi, and then we're gonna do the Bondi to Coogee walk, which is like a long scenic walk. I think that's it for today, isn't it?
That's it for today.
And then tomorrow we are heading somewhere else, but we don't know where yet. So yeah, we're just gonna get on the train now. We've arrived. We are on Bondi Beach, aren't we?
Yeah.
Wait, what are you reading?
A book.
What book?
It's the second in the Summer Temperate series.
God, she's obsessed, isn't she? Yeah, we're just having a little sunbathe at the minute. Absolutely scorcher day. I think we're just gonna have a chill and a rest. It's like 11:30, 12ish. And then in about half an hour to an hour we're gonna go get surfboard and surf at Bondi. So wish us luck.
You are a pro, basically. He's getting it all wrapped around his ankle. Gonna go out and ride some of these waves. Let's see how he does. How nice is this beach, by the way? Blackpool could never. Oh, he says it's cold. How is it cold? It is literally so hot here today. He's out there, paddle out. It actually looks like it's a lot harder than it looks. Like even just the paddling out bit is pretty hard. And these waves are actually quite big. I feel like you can't really tell on the video, but they actually are. I can't really tell. I don't think anyway that you can tell from the video. But the waves are actually really high. Well, they're like massive, but they are quite high. And then, yeah, everybody's a bit further out than Kyle is at the moment. Maybe this next one. Is he gonna do it? He's paddling. Come on up. Oh, go on. Oh, fell. Paddle. No, not taking that one. Obviously, every other time we've had an instructor with us. I think it's quite difficult to know, like, when you're on a wave. I don't know. It's like hard to explain something. How was it, mate?
All I can say is good luck.
Why?
The board.
Pardon?
The board.
What about it?
It's the smallest one we've used.
Oh.
It's so hard to get your balance. I couldn't even like lie down and paddle out on it.
I saw.
Good luck. Honestly, could not even stay afloat. It is one of the smallest boards I've been on. That's a big one. Oh. No, she's bad. Smashing it. So surfing was a complete fail, wasn't it?
Oh, so bad. So difficult.
It was difficult. The board was even smaller than when we had our second lesson. And obviously when we're in our lessons we swim out, don't we? But then someone will give you a push as well, so it's much easier to catch the wave at the right point. For me, I literally couldn't catch it because it was just difficult. And then Ellie, you couldn't even get out, could you?
No.
Because there was so much swell and wave after wave.
Every time I tried to swim out, I just get pushed back in by the way.
But yeah, now we are just coming off the beach. We're going to go get changed and get some food because we're starving, aren't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, this is a Bondi Beach.
In spring.
In spring. See you later. Looking back and they're filming for like RuPaul or something here. The full camera setup here. Crazy. Bondi Beach is over this way. Literally just there. You can see the sea. And we're on a beachside thing here, aren't we?
Yeah.
We've got a fish burger. Look at that. That looks insane. And then this pepperoni pizza. A garlic aioli for the pepperoni pizza. Honestly, I think 10 out of 10 from looking at it. We're at Maple Gelato. And I have got hazelnut and peanut butter. And Ellie has better than Nutella and pistachio. And obviously, we're going to share it all, aren't we? Let's cross. We're going to have it with a scenic view, aren't we?
Yeah. Pistachio is actually probably the best pistachio I've ever had in ice cream.
Oh my god.
It tastes like the spread.
That's a big, big statement, isn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, look at this. We're going to sit here. We're going to have this view of Bondi. Beautiful. I think someone's forgot to shut the windows. And the cockatoos are being naughty and going in. Well, oh, one just come out. It's like no food in there. Oh, they're all coming out. Very busy boss. Isn't it? Hectic bus where people falling into everyone everywhere. Someone fell over completely, didn't they, as well?
That's funny though.
And Ellie's here to get her retail therapy fix. Maybe. Ellie's successful trip. Jokes in the middle there. I've got a few bits myself, haven't I?
Yeah, you shocked.
But you're all buzzing, aren't you? So yeah, we're just in the city underground. Getting a train back, aren't we?
Yeah. Train back, then a half
Train back, and then a half an hour walk
and
to
then
the
bed.
I could eat.
You could eat? I've been fed.
Yeah, I'll probably have a snack when we get in. And tomorrow's travel day, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're heading to Port Stephens in Newcastle.
Why, eh?
Not that bloody Newcastle, mate. So yeah, I'm gonna get this train. See you soon. So we got off the train, didn't we? And
We did.
we're gonna head home.
We did.
But we went past sir. Yes, sir. And Ellie was like, we need to go in there. But this is what we've got.
Dig in.
Wow.
Belgian melted chocolate is like unlike anything else. You know what I mean?
Is that nice? Let's see it. Smashed it.